you guys ever need any
Okay,
sort
I
of
need to
services
bury
done in the
that off.
outdoor area of the
Let's
state.
pack up our shit.
So avoid the hassle of going
Put
through
stuff back
Facebook
where it
community
belongs,
groups
'cause
trying to find a
the warning's over with now, so the tornado warning we had earlier is now been over with
partners down there with
in
Bounce.
Cass County, so we're good. We're safe. We're done. No warnings. So I need to start packing my stuff back up the way I had it.
We are continuing to watch a threat that is just neutral across the area, weakening generally speaking, as the rain takes over versus the wind. But
It's not that bad right now. I mean, the warnings are over with, which is good. I fed the cats. It's almost 2 o'clock here on the East Coast, and that's about it. It's just more Forza. Turn this down because this is going to be a little too loud even for me. And yeah, we're done with those warnings we had today. I mean, that warning we had was a big one. I'm surprised they didn't continue it for us. But yeah. How you shoot a bus?
Turn right. In 200 yards, turn left.
I bet it's kind of weird driving out. See if we found a K truck, Tyler. That's kind of been my idea to look for a K car. But right now I'm not going to worry about a K truck right now. I got a K van, so that's good enough.
Turn right.
I think I do pretty well right now, doing pretty good. How you know they do in Japan? You know they do in Japan there too. No, they do in smaller locations. They do it where no one can see them. And we were lucky, but you know they passed a law in Japan, so you can't do it anymore. Sort of. If you have an accident, it's like, just don't do it. It's illegal. I wish we could do that in Japan, but you know what would happen in Japan. Well, we did. That'd be awesome to see in Japan, but the chance of me seeing that in Japan is very slim to none. But you could see in Japan. The thing you want to see. I go to jail. I should look to see if I can find a K van or a K truck in a minute. because the Autozan AZ1 is not built for this. How in the hell am I supposed to get that? How the hell am I supposed to get that on top of, off the excavator?
Making use of the camera I gave you. There's so much you can do with it. Get creative. Experiment with the settings. Share it to the world.
Where's the drone? I wonder. What about the drone? I never used the drone. I never used the drone. Even every year since I haven't had, I never even used the drone. I don't know how to even use the drone. I know what you're saying there, but I never even learned how to use the drone. Since they added the drone, I never used the drone once. That's how you can cheat, Tyler. I have never even used the drone once. Yep. Nope. Since day one, I never even used. That's how you get dumb. If you can't jump it, you use the drone to smash it. I need something a little more. Oh, I need a car with a little more. I need one of my cars with a little more. I need a car with a little more. No pants, but I need a car with a little more power. I need a car with a little more oomph and a little more power. Christine! There we go. I need someone with a little more power. Christine has too much power to her. I know, but I don't care. She looks like she's not real, because she was real, I'd be dead. You're not mad, are ya? Is that you, Cunningham? You're not mad, are ya? Yeah, I'm pissed. You destroyed me. $3,000 points. You're not mad, are ya? Wish I had Plymouth Fury. I wish I could make some money. Who would remind you of Jason G-Wagon in Japan? Well, you were a great YouTuber. You're not supposed to work Mimi. I think it's getting darker in here, which is okay with me. Hello. I'll read you guys' comments in a minute. I'm racing right now. I'll read you guys' comments in a minute. Come on, Subaru. Come on, my Subaru. You can do better than this. Pretty good, Brady's moving pretty well. Nice, that little tornado warning we had earlier. We're doing pretty good now. The tornado warning earlier, it ended until I waited until the TV station said it was ended. Then I went, cleaned everything back up downstairs and brought everything back up here, and now I'm playing some games. Let's get stuff on tape for you guys so I can upload tonight or upload tomorrow, upload later on this week, and set it and forget it, and have you guys some videos out while I'm gone on my trip this weekend. I'm going to be going on a little trip this weekend, so I want to get some stuff made for you guys, so I don't have to worry about you guys when I'm on my trip. I'm trying to make you guys some extra footage, because I know I do videos daily, but I might not be doing no videos until later on this week, until next right now. I'm going on a trip Friday, so I want to get some videos made for you guys so I don't have to worry about it. So I'm going to make some videos ahead of time. I think I should upload some videos tonight. I'm going to have to upload some videos tonight. Oh. Strong wind. It's 2 o'clock now on the East Coast? Yeah, like 2 o'clock now. I can't tell because it's so dark in here. I'll have to turn the light on. If this race is over, I'm going to turn the light on. I'm tired of this darkness, but you know what? Watch me right now, that sucks. That's better. "36 minutes, that was okay. Okay guys, I'm back. I had to turn the light on so you can see what I was doing. Okay. I got tons of tapes here I'm trying to upload content to, so you guys have stuff to watch when I get, so I have something to give you guys. Trying to get you some more content so you guys have stuff to watch while I'm gone, maybe a little trip.
Okay, Tyler. I have set your route to the dirt race event.
this off-road event, then I'm going to look at some, maybe a new K car, some K vans, or a new type of K vehicle.
You have arrived at your destination.
Hey. Okay, I got myself a truck. So I'm racing a Dodge Ram truck in Japan. I'm surprised they don't want to drive an Ariel Atom. Come on, Dodge. You can go. Come on, Dodge. I don't know if it's, oh, that's a Land Rover? I don't want that in having that in my fleet. This truck's a little big, I think. I had to. My dick is gonna be. I'm gonna take a better camera. I actually could do that. I could do like a film. I wish I had some TV stations in 3 hours. You should make that tape again. I mean, when you're young. Remember that tape you used to have when you were younger? That special tape? You should make another of those tapes. I did not want to talk about the tape. That tape's never going to get made ever again. wish I had my own house. Or a content house? Yeah, I wish I had my own content house. How big in the future? What do you use? My YouTube was a build a content house. Just make content, just make game content, and that's it. I'm not trying to do a gaming channel, I'm just trying to do I need... I had some colleagues come out and have a decent gaming channel. If I had a content house, get closer to downtown. One room would be the Beyblade room, right? One room would be the Beyblade / game room, yes.
Okay, Tyler. I have set your route to the dirt race event.
Zone isn't going anywhere. Head back to the start, give it another run. Just make sure you're moving forwards through the zone. Any stopping or wrong turns ruins the flow and you won't get your score.
Sharp right. Turn around when it is safe to do so. In 400 yards, turn left. Turn left.
Mom! Love you! I'm sure we take some videos and do it now. Well, I guess some videos can upload, couldn't I? Oh yeah, I do got a couple videos I can upload tonight. I will get them out tonight. I'll upload the videos later on tonight. Alright. In a little bit.
Turn around when it is safe to do so.
Tons of videos I can upload. Wait there today, you know what? I should wait.
Turn around when it is safe to do so. You have arrived at your destination.
I didn't go into town. I haven't left the house all day. Not that dumb. I canceled it. I did. I rescheduled it. Stop. All the semis in our front of our. I'm trying to have. Stop texting me, please, for a fucking second. I'm trying to finish this race and text me. I'll finish this race and take a break. Boom. Where's that one thing? Ford light. Okay, that's a weird looking car name for a car. Boom, boom, boom.
Okay, Tyler, what do you want to do now? Okay, Tyler, I have set your route to the dirt race event.
I gotta send the big wheel again, huh?
In 400 yards, turn left. Recalculating route. In 400 yards, turn right. In 100 yards, turn right.
I wish I had Pete's candy man.
In 400 yards, turn right. Turn right. Recalculating route.
Pete. How much pizza do we have left? 14 pounds of pizza. Mom, what time is it? What time is it? It's time for chicken. It's time for chicken! Alright. Let's see. I don't know what I'm going to do today. Cock-a-doo-doo, it's time for chicken. Cock-a-doo-doo, and we can't be fucked. Eat a nice bucket of chicken, ew. Then we say it's clucking, bam. You guys are dead. So, bye.